Calamity Panther Valley around 3:50 p.m. Oxford around 3:55 p.m. Hackettstown around 4 p.m. Brass Castle, Washington, and Pleasant Valley around 4:15 p.m. Preparing for damaging winds, large hail, and deadly clouds and ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent clouds and ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Wednesday evening for northern Delaware and northeastern Maryland and New Jersey and eastern Pennsylvania. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Morris, and Warren.
That should be it.
The coastal waters forecast from Saturday.
Oh my god!
Was that like a triple header?
That was 2 on one channel and 2 on the other.
Wow.
So that leaves me with
4.
5, 10, 22 EAS captured today.
Wow.
I'll be right back. And now I need to go walk Boomer.
Okay.